That's the one I wanted. All right, here are some of my weekend finds. There's a little stand, I believe almost every Saturday downtown, that sell homemade jams and jellies. This one is cherry chipotle. They also had apple cider donuts, which I've never had before, so we're gonna give that a try. And banana bread with chocolate chips. So we'll take a look at these. So here is the cherry chipotle jam, or it really can be a great glaze for chicken dipping sauce. Let's try. You can see the cherries. Has a few of the little spice seeds in there from the chipotle. We'll give it a little try. That cherry it's fresh cherries and a little bit of kick from the chipotle. That would be amazing to dip chicken strips in, to glaze little smoky sausages. Amazing. Here is the apple cider donuts, 3 for $5, fresh made this morning. Take a look at this. Oh, it smells delicious. So nice, fluffy. Okay, I'll show you guys there. Oh, look at that. Look, beautiful. Let's have a taste. Oh, wow. That says fall. Perfect hint of apple. Sure tastes like a coffee cake to me. Amazing. Okay, here is a slice of the banana bread with chocolate chips. They've made it so beautiful. It's moist, not dry, and you can see chocolate chips all the way throughout, which is a great compliment. The chocolate to the banana is amazing. Well, there you go, guys. This is a weekend find in our small little town. So if you're looking for a breakfast snack and you're here, go downtown. So much better. Homemade, fresh, right out of the oven. Much better than fast food. So love supporting our local markets and our bakers.